just went down a weird alleyway and a bunch of crazy awesome little kids hitting sticks on the ground guided us to City Palace, so that was pretty cool. And it looks awesome. We'll see what it looks like when we get inside. So this is how you ride in style. Check it out. This has got a big nose car. It's a lot of big noses. Let's see what else. Got buggy life. With everyone wants to take a picture of the peacock door. That's where all the leprechauns live. It's just truly just a breathtaking, like really beautifully architected city. That's not even a word, but that's okay. There's Alexa, the model. It's in Jaipur, Rajasthan. There's City Palace where the royal family ruled for like 300 years. I don't know, I'm making it up. But it's just amazing to think like, you know, we're in a palace that used to be where people ruled a part of land. You know, seeing the throne, I couldn't show you the throne room because there's no photography, but it was pretty awesome. It's just so detailed and so beautiful and exquisite. And you can just spend all day just admiring all the tiny little details. It's awesome. Here at Ganesh Restaurant, as you can see from the sign. We are up above Jaipur, and the gate is right over there, and we're gonna see, apparently this food is supposed to be awesome, so let's see how awesome it is. Consensus is that Ganesh Restaurant is amazing.
Some dang food.
Like we had cashew curry, we have paneer korma, and we had Ganesh special, which is, it's special. It's like the naan is so crispy
And flavorful.
and it's got that layer to it. You just scoop it up. The curry tastes great. Oh wow, I could not pick this up right now. Crispy on the outside, a little doughy, and the paneer is like fresh. The texture is amazing. Alright, I'm gonna finish the rest of this. All that bread. Do you know why there's so much bread in the water? Like, why do people just throw bread?
Yeah.
Finally here on the airport. It's pretty awesome. And it looks like, ooh, How do I switch the view? I can't, I don't think, but looks kind of like the Great Wall of India. If that was a thing, which it's not. It was really awesome. This came in a big packed bus ride. So it's only 10 rupees. So if you're on a budget, you can just jump on a bus. But they have AC ones, which we did not take.
Could be a good picture with the guys. You know. Ready?
Okay, so Ambir Fort is just amazing. It's breathtaking, and definitely cannot explain how cool it is in words to you right now. You just gotta come here. 10 out of 10 would recommend. You gotta come. It's just like this awesome feeling. You kind of feel like you can imagine the past. You know, it's so big and it's so well maintained and looked after. I'm sure they repainted and stuff like that. But it's just awesome. And the fact that it's actually drizzling right now is perfect because I was sweating, schwitzing like a Meshuggah over there. And just like so much to see. I guarantee we can't see any anywhere close to all of it today. But yeah, it makes me feel like I want to be in Jaipur like a week because just the amount of stuff to do is like, there's so much and so many just beautiful architecture. Like coming from Pune was an awesome city, but the architecture was just not this spectacular. This is just like honestly breathtaking, and I'm really glad to be like a tourist in India now actually, because you just get to see so much. It's just awesome. Inside, where we're not allowed, looks so cool. And that ancient vacuum. Maybe it's a Dalek. This is where the king pooped. Okay, how cool is this place that we're in right now? Oh god. So Alexa said that this is the bathroom waiting room, which is, if that's true, then this is like the best bathroom waiting room ever. Ooh, Star of David. Anyway, so this fort here, or palace, or wherever the hell we are, just keeps getting better and better. It's like literally just like when you think that it just got cooler, then you go somewhere else and it's even cooler. Like honestly, I can't get over it.
You want a brief history of the fort?
Yeah. What's the brief history, Abby?
So, this fort was built by Jai Singh, the founder or first king of Jaipur, and this is where Rajasthan was originally ruled. And then they extended down to the city called Jaipur as the population expanded. And Jaipur is one of the first, or is the first planned city of India.
Thank you.
Historical background.
That was questionable tour guide by Abby Gallion.
It was on Wikipedia last night.
There you go. So it's, you know, it's legit.
Wait, nothing.
Hold
I
up.
want to give a shout out to Monsoon Season
2
for
days.
making this all popular.
You said 2 days.
2 days, yes.
Look at the bees.
Nothing.
Look at the bees.
No, not the bees! Not the bees! Ah!
It's a good way of making the bad situation.
There's so many bees.
Oh my god.
Open my eyes! My eyes! Ah!
What the?
What the bee?
Oh my god.
Be careful. Ha ha ha.
I'm getting rid of the bee. She's an all good bee. I'm getting rid of Britta. I'm getting rid of the bee. She's a GDB.
One look. We use the bathroom. Okay. Just kidding. This is probably servant toilets. That's where you wash your baby. I don't know what I'm saying. Inside the palace. It's cool. This is called Cool Roofs Part 1 and Cool Roofs Part 2. Oh yeah. Jaipur. Jaipur is so cool. You hear the call to prayer. Alright, I gotta find the girls. This is not good. Every time we go to a fort or a palace, I get lost. Crap. So there's two paths. Bye. Alexa's gonna go that way. And we're gonna go the cool way.
The road less taken.
Yeah. The road less traveled. But basically the same thing. This is super freaking steep though. Monkeys, of course. I don't have any energy to talk about anything else. About to go down this water.
Monkey, monkey. Hey, monkey.
Ba-do-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-do-ba-ba-ba-do-ba-ba-ba-do.